Hey guys, I'm making another video teaching how to adjust the Hilux parking brake. For the year, I believe it uses the same adjustment. 2017, 2018, I think it's the same adjustment. All right, here we go. First step, here, look, open this up. Fitted, see here, and here. Me too. What are we gonna do? Put your hand here, see? Where's that foam? Put your hand here. Yeah, I recommend giving it a little tug, but not too hard since it's clipped in. It's clipped in here and here. So what do? Grab it. See? It's going to have clips, and it's clipped in. Slide it over here, see? Move it to the side, Annie. Fred, buddy, here's where the adjuster is, see? Check out the big guy. Look at that. Size 10. Hold on. Ah, nice. Now you bring the size 10 socket here. Look, put it there. Done. When it's time to adjust, you'll need a 10, okay? The only thing, be careful, because usually it's this adjustment. It comes with 2 nuts, so you need to be careful. When you go to adjust it, you'll notice you'll try to adjust it and then it'll lock up. Yeah, it might seem like the adjustment went all the way, but it didn't. You need to remove 1 nut, then remove it, then adjust it. Here, this one's already adjusted, okay? Normally it's 3 clicks. 3 clicks. That's the parking brake. Works great. When you're backing up, see? It's something else. How is it clipped in? The dog nailed it. Awesome job, guys. 3 clicks. It locked up beautifully. See you, folks.